45 verse 1 to 7. Inasema, I am the Lord and there is no other. Apart from me there is no God. I will strengthen you, though you have not acknowledged me, so that from the rising of the sun to the place of its setting. 45.
From verse 1 to 7?
5 to 7.
Oh, hey. Nimesikia 1 to 7. Naona tu koreshi. Sorry, from verse 5 to 7. Eh?
Yeah. 6 inasema, so that from the rising of the sun to the place of its setting, people may know there is no one beside me. I am the Lord and there is no other. I form the light and create darkness. I bring prosperity and create disaster. I, the Lord, do all these things. So me imenifunza that hapa tu ni Mungu anatry kuonyesha that he's the Lord na hakuna mwingine isipokuwa yeye. So you just have to kumtegemea yeye peke yake and ni hivyo tu, nani atubarikiwe.
Amen.